take 2 namin dahil nawala kanina. Happy birthday, mahal. Toy.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ding, ding, ding.
Wish mo kay Daddy, Totoy.
Sana bumalik na siya dito. Sana good health siya dyan. Sana okay lang siya dyan. Wala siyang kaaway, wala siyang chicks. Kasi mabugbog ko talaga siya.
Ikaw, ate.
Wala na akong masabi kasi sinabi na niya lahat.
For mahal ko, thank you for everything. Sana hindi ka magsawa sa amin. Sa ugali ko, na selosa ako. Then, I wish you good health. Very proud kami sa'yo dahil ang laki ng pinagbago mo. Then, magsama pa tayo more 50 years sa birthday, mahal ko. I love you so much. We love you so much, mahal ko. Happy birthday. Blow the candle! Blow! 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday! Yay!